Hey there, Chip Wade here, TV host and contractor. Today we're at my home in Atlanta, Georgia, embarking on a major project to completely revamp the look and functionality of the entire exterior facade. Now, this existing exterior is covered in stone and brick and about 7,000 square foot of real cedar shakes. But unfortunately, they've all seen better days. We're going to replace them with a fresh new look that's both durable and stunning. Now, we're not just stopping with the siding. All of the windows are getting a sleek upgrade as well with an aluminum clad version. And we're bidding farewell to all the old trim and fascia and introducing a composite material that's built to stand the test of time. Needless to say, this is an enormous project. Now, here comes the tricky part. The rear of the house stands really tall at about 4 stories and even has chimneys that need attention that are above that. But not to worry, we've got the solution that's gonna make our work easier and safer as well. Check out the Manitou TJ65 Plus mobile elevating work platform. With a working height of 72 feet 2 inches, it's the perfect tool for tackling these hard to reach areas. Now, this machine offers incredible versatility. It has a 360-degree continuous rotation, negative jib rotation, and front and rear wheel steering that makes it really a breeze to navigate, even in tricky spots. And thanks to its all-terrain structure, it can really handle any type of soil as well. Rough terrain, even uneven surfaces or muddy areas, which is super common on all of my job sites. Now, the telescoping work platform is really where all of the magic happens. It's not just about reaching high places, it's about reaching those places with ease, speed, and utmost safety, all while accommodating 3 people in the platform, which gets a lot of work done. From demolition to finish work, I mean, whether it's painting, tree trimming, construction setup, or just specialty access, the TJ65 Plus is a great choice. It's truly an indispensable tool on any job site. If you're curious to learn more about it, you can check it all out at Manitou.com.